Fair market value assessments are typically done in relationship to payments to healthcare providers, typically for speaker programs, ad boards, or other consulting services. But also, increasingly more importantly, they should be applied to IAT studies, CME educational activities, and other company-sponsored clinical trials, as well as payments to distributors like, for example, PBMs, MCOs, insurance companies, and all other intermediaries. Important to prioritize is to base these on risk assessments that you conduct. And the risk assessments can be based on the following factors. In general, you can look at the corruption index factor in each of the different countries where you're making those payments. Dealing with a CRO in the US might be less risky than dealing with a CRO in Russia or China. The second factor that is important is the value of the interaction, the total dollar amount that you pay to that particular intermediary. Then the third one is the type of the interaction. Dealing with an office supply company has a much lower risk than dealing with a CRO, for example. And then third of all, the volume of the interactions with the third parties in a particular country. Important is to put those factors together and kind of come up with some kind of a methodology that weighs the factors and helps you to prioritize which interactions are of more risk and therefore should be covered by your fair market value methodology.